craft a poem in a rhyme design, both male and female, every line aligned. I win no grain from chaff, I pick and prime, so none get tangled, none get left behind. I put those fools and blunderers in their place, the drivel mouth, the dull, the commonplace, who turn a sweet love bitter, sour and base. Through false affection, venom in the embrace, a small spark grows to a great fire's blaze. If when it's dead, you fan it back to haze. From your good vine when clusters hang and swell, you ought to love the grapes you know so well, and love your lady so long as she won't dwell where whoring holds its court, its citadel. If she says, I love none but you alone, don't be the wick that's burned down to the bone, lest your own joy should separate and groan from hers until you two are overthrown. And you, your lovers, foolish, vain, unwise, you think you'll snatch their lust before their eyes. A woman who entwines herself with two will hardly stop a third from coming through. Thus joy turns into brawling and undue commotion. Let no one get caught there. Would you, the jealous cuckold whose wife's been bagged and grabbed, choose like a camel in a sack, half stabbed. She watches the bidding, sees how it's jabbed, sells cheap goods high, a merchant poorly clad. No one so lucky, no star overhead to rule the roost. There be the boss in bed. False love knows fencing, how to thrust and feint. Who doesn't got himself, he'll soon be tainted. He's just as sure to land in battle stench as a bell is sure of its own clappers clench. Hush, fool, it says stop whining and you moan. You've taken me for a dullard, overblown. If you're too cautious, stingy on your own, I'll be the stingiest, leave you all alone. And it won't let you lack for anything until it's got you fevered, shivering. Despair's grim game, I won't let her despair right in my frame. She weeps and wails and sighs and groans in shame, but all her sighing is deceit. The same she takes the wise man for a fool half dead. When she has stripped his goods and left unfed, she won't deign look at him, but turns instead to find another with more cash to spread. Someone to bring her treasure and rich fee, whom she can turn to beggar instantly. Love is so sweet in the opening phrase, with pointed subtle tricks and clever ways. It pierces through good mail and hauberk's maze, grieves gauntlets camel, it burns and days. It knows so much Greek, Latin, every law. You'll want to do Greek rites with a nun, what's more. Let no one take that path, the one who whores to that his soul. He's rowing to the core, he rolls one eye, the other winks, it's cue. And so deceit brings servitude to you. True worth requires a file, a rasping tool, to cut the shackles and to break the fool. I flee the heartbreaks, that false love's cruel rule always breaks hearts, makes every hopeful drool. Young, old, decrepit, all fall in its pit. Even Nero, who killed Seneca in a fit, never had a single day of honest wit. False love won't show its heart to those who sit open before it. Though it swears and pledges, it lies. I know as much as oxen know of hedges. My sense breaks in and plows it like a field, and pinches those it cannot make to yield. The verse is good if someone writes it sealed. I want to launch it like a ship revealed, and if one steers it, drives it well and true, making Alfonso bring it safely through. In winter's cold and summer's blazing blue.